I can see what's happening. I can't what? And they don't have a clue. Who's they? They'll fall in love. And here's the bottom line. Our trio's down to two. Oh, I get it. The sweet caress of twilight. Yeah, it's magic. Everywhere is everywhere. And with all this romantic atmosphere, disasters in the air. Can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings, the world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things. So many things to tell her, but how to make her see the truth about my past is possible. She'll turn away from me.